Once upon a time in the enchanting meadow of Blossomville, there lived a young bunny named Benny. He was known far and wide as Benny the Brave Bunny. Benny wasn't the biggest or the fastest bunny, but he had a heart full of courage. One sunny morning, Benny's friends, Lily the ladybug and Sammy the squirrel, invited him on an adventure to find the legendary glimmering carrot. Legend had it that whoever found this magical carrot would be granted a wish. Their journey led them through a dense forest, across a babbling brook, and up a steep hill. Along the way, they faced challenges and made new friends, like Freddy the friendly fox and Polly the playful possum. Welcome to a magical world where art and technology come together to create stunning visual stories. In this enchanting journey, we'll explore the fascinating realm of AI, a powerful tool that can help us make similar images for our beloved kids' animated stories. With the help of AI, we'll unlock the secrets of bringing our imaginations to life, painting our stories with vibrant colors, and crafting characters that will leap off the page. Are you ready to embark on this adventure of creativity and innovation? Let's dive in and learn how to make similar images with AI for kids' animated tales, so let's get started. Hello friends, what should we do first? So first we have to go to chat. Then we have to write a prompt here that is, give me a short 200-word kids animated story. And give me some image prompt. Alright, then we will write it and enter. Then friends will give us the script there. Now it will be ours. So friends, now we have to go to Google Translate. And that text should be pasted. So then we have to go to Google again and enter limeware. Alright, then we have to click on this image button. Fixed, and we have to paste some part of that text there. But friends, say one thing, if you are new to our channel then don't forget to subscribe. Then we have to do this same process to SO, after I am all image generate. So download this. Okay. And second, go to Google and search CapCut. And click them. So, third, go to these and give your all generate images. Alright. So, fourth, go to Google and search a fleeky, okay. And wait. So, click the second link, okay. And click the sign up. And you see up plus icon, so, click them. And give your project name. Alright. And paste here these script. Alright. So, click the play button. And click the download button, so download this. After having download, go to CapCut. And upload these voiceover. Alright. And give this voiceover in the timeline. Alright. Guys. And drop here to your all images there. Okay. And you select a animation. On first animation. Alright. And all images, give the timeline and give the all animations. After your give, you see down effect options. So I am fine to animations wait. Guys. Sometimes. Oh. Click the search button and search noise. And select the black noise. All fight guys. So. Your see down captions. Options. So click them. And you see up auto captions. So, click them. And wait. Sometimes. Alright. So, after waiting, you just edit the text and give the shadow, stroke and also. Alright guys. So, the last process is you see down audio icon. So, click the and search kids. Alright. Guys. This is the so difficult easy trick. As our creative adventure comes to a close, we hope you've discovered the limitless possibilities AI offers for enhancing your kids' animated stories. With the power of AI, you can bring your characters to life, fill your worlds with breathtaking landscapes, and ignite the imaginations of young minds. Remember, the magic of storytelling is in your hands, and AI is your trusty companion. So, go forth and create captivating tales, and continue to share the wonder of stories with the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey.